Ashi. You know my name?
Yes, we know your name.
Now you will do it with W.
So what do you like about your teddy?
Because it's fluffy.
And do you like the color also?
Yeah,
Who gifted you this teddy? Who gave it to you?
my daddy.
When? On Christmas?
Yeah.
All right, all right. So, what do you do with the teddy? Do you play? Do you sleep? Do you eat? What do you do with your teddy?
I eat and
Ah.
play and sleep.
Okay, wow, that's amazing. So, hi, Fluff. Hello. You are a good
You
teddy.
do like this.
He'll do like this. All right. So, anything else you want to tell about your Fluff?
Yeah.
What?
He loves me all day long when I sleep, and he tickles me when I am sleeping in my nose. And when he wake up, and he jump on me.
Oh my God, I didn't know that. Really?
Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing. Okay, fine. Anything else?
And he loves me all day long. When I eat food, then he do me like this.
Okay. Say hi, Annu ma'am. Hello. Okay, thank you, Ashi. Thank you, Fluff. Bye.